this recipe is brought to you by Spam. Ayan, so nagbigay yung Spam sa akin. And we're going to use half can of Spam. Any kind of Spam that you like. Okay. So, chinop ko siya yung half can into cubes, small cubes. We start by adding 3 cloves of garlic. Okay. 1 red onion. Ayan, chop. 3 pieces of tomatoes that are chopped. Okay, so para maluto siya kaagad, ayan, para maluto na. So, mas maganda 1 red tsaka 1 green bell pepper. Spam. Tapos iluto natin yung spam for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay? So, medyo cook na yung ating spam. Let's now add just a pinch of salt, pepper. Ayan. Mix natin to. Tapos, we should cool this down and set aside. Ayan. So, ito na yung ating spam mixture na pinalamig natin. And habang pinalalamig ko yan, nagbati ako ng, these are 3 eggs beaten. Okay? And ihalo natin siya ngayon dito. Ayan. And then mix natin to. Ayan. So na-mix na siya. And I'm going to use ito, 1/3 cup. Ayan. So depende sa inyo kung gaano karami yung gusto nyo. We're going to make spam torta. Ito, I've used 1/3 cup. And nalagay natin siya dito. Ayan. So pinifry na natin dalawa.